just walked in, smack into a Hemi Cuda, next to a Cuda convertible, 69 Mach, Shelby. It is at 428. I mean, it's just overwhelming. And all we did was go from the door to the first row of cars. Oh, AAR Cuda, another Shelby, Roadrunner, Charger. Oh, an early production model Shelby GT500 with the fog lights close together. That's that one right there. 69 Mach, GT500 convertible. Ken having a good time. Yeah. Boss 302. This is unbearable. I can't.
$80,000, 80,000, 82, 82, 85, $85,000, 87, 87,000, and 87,000. Everybody goes 70, everybody goes 70, everybody goes 70, everybody goes 87, 95, and 90, everybody goes 95.